Welcome to our channel. If you want to disable Bluetooth visibility notifications on the state unemployment portal, follow these step-by-step instructions to manage your connection settings and protect your privacy. Step 1. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to your state unemployment portal website. Log in using your registered username and password. Step 2. Once logged in, locate and click on your profile icon or account settings option, typically found in the top right corner of the page. Step 3. Navigate to the Settings or Preferences section, where you can manage various account features including notifications and connectivity options. Step 4. Look for Bluetooth or device connectivity settings within the Notification Preferences menu. This may be under a Privacy or Security tab. Step 5. Find the option labeled Bluetooth Visibility Notifications or similar wording. Toggle this setting to the off position to disable notifications. Step 6. Review any additional connected device settings to ensure all Bluetooth-related notifications are properly configured according to your preferences. Step 7. Save your changes by clicking the Save or Apply button at the bottom of the settings page. Step 8. Log out and log back in to verify that the Bluetooth visibility notifications have been successfully disabled and are no longer appearing. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.